The Honda CB750 Hornet motorbike has established itself as a legendary two-wheeler, renowned for its exceptional performance, striking design, and unrivaled reliability. As a flagship model in Honda's motorcycle lineup, the CB750 Hornet has captured the hearts of riders worldwide. In this comprehensive review, we'll delve into the key features, performance, comfort, and overall riding experience that make the CB750 Hornet a standout choice for motorcycle enthusiasts. Design and aesthetics. The Honda CB750 Hornet boasts a timeless and muscular design, exuding an aura of power and agility. Its sleek lines, aggressive stance, and attention to detail contribute to an eye-catching appearance. The bike's angular headlight, sculpted fuel tank, and aerodynamic tail section blend seamlessly, forming a cohesive and visually appealing silhouette. With its well-thought-out color schemes and high-quality finishes, the CB750 Hornet effortlessly stands out from the crowd. Performance and handling. Equipped with a robust 750 cubic centimeters inline-4 engine, the CB750 Hornet delivers an exhilarating performance that will leave riders grinning from ear to ear. The engine's smooth power delivery and ample torque across the rev range provide an instant surge of acceleration. Whether cruising on the highway or tackling twisty mountain roads, the CB750 Hornet exhibits impressive responsiveness and agility, allowing riders to confidently carve through corners with precision. The bike's suspension setup strikes an excellent balance between sportiness and comfort. The front inverted forks and rear monoshock absorb road imperfections with ease, ensuring a smooth and controlled ride. The braking system, featuring dual discs up front and a single disc at the rear, offers strong and reliable stopping power, inspiring confidence in all riding conditions. Comfort and ergonomics. Honda has prioritized rider comfort in the CB750 Hornet's design. The ergonomics strike a harmonious balance between sporty and relaxed riding positions, accommodating a wide range of rider sizes and preferences. The well-padded and contoured seat provides excellent support during long rides, minimizing fatigue. The perfectly positioned handlebars and foot pegs offer a natural and comfortable riding stance, promoting an enjoyable and stress-free experience. Technology and features. The CB750 Hornet integrates a range of modern technologies to enhance the riding experience. The instrument cluster, with its clear and legible display, provides vital information at a glance, including speed, revs, fuel level, and gear position. The inclusion of advanced safety features, such as ABS, anti-lock braking system, and traction control, further adds to the overall confidence-inspiring nature of the bike.